One of the biggest tasks, you may even call it a problem, is to make a meal plan for your family. When you look at it, it's complicated to make a meal plan for yourself, let alone for 2, 3 or more people. This video is our proposal on how to solve this, and we sincerely hope it helps. Stay tuned.
Danke, Praktik.
If you have the time, watch our other videos about homemade cooking, which are closely related to this topic. Perhaps these videos can help you get some more ideas about what to cook for your family, but give them a tasty and nutritious meal at the same time. Links for the videos are in the card in the corner or in the video description. Count how many meals you need daily. First, count how many meals you in fact need to make. See how many meals you need in one day. Do you have breakfast, lunch, dinner, or not? Do you skip dinner perhaps? If you have kids carrying food from home to school, you can include those meals on this list also. You can later multiply this information by weeks and months. This part is the foundation of all this that will give you a fairly precise picture of what you in fact need and what is the scale of it. Make a list of meals that everyone will eat. Next, make a list of the meals everyone will eat. This may be tricky and will certainly take time, but is crucial for further planning. Our recommendation is to make a mix of favorite foods and healthy foods. Perhaps, if possible, experiment a bit by adding some different food, but avoid doing this all the time since you'll probably have a lot of leftovers. Best make a balanced compromise of wishes and healthy foods. Check your supplies. Now that you know how much and what kind of food you need, check what you already have in the household. It's even better to check this when planning the list of meals. This way, it's more efficient as you can use what you already have and perhaps have to buy less. What you lack for your list, you can go and buy and put it in storage. We recommend this since constant buying and going to the supermarket all the time is a big loss of time. Make a timetable. Lots of people will frown on this part, but give it a try and you'll see that it is very helpful. For this part, we recommend using Excel. You can use whatever program you like as long as you can keep track of what you're doing. If you want, you can write it on a piece of paper. In any case, first make a table which is a combination of days in the week and the list of meals you've made. If you can, fill out the table for a whole month. Again, this may seem boring and painstaking, but it is well worth the time. The end result is a precise schedule for every day of the week and for the whole month. Shift the timetable around. Now we come to the best part of it all. That is that you can shift around the timetable you've already made. This is a simple way to get a whole new schedule for the next month and perhaps a few months in the future. Just move around the columns and rows depending on what kind of timetable you've made. What making this kind of shift will give you is the diversity you need while keeping the same meals that everyone will eat. Occasionally add other meals. To make the meal plan even better, occasionally add some other meals and foods. Usually, this is good to do after 3 months of rotating the same monthly table. We would recommend not changing the meal plan too much at first, just a tweak here and there will have the best effect. All of this may seem like, in the lack of better terms, a corporate way to solve a meal plan. It may seem to lack emotions, spirit, and a certain level of the unknown that gives meals that extra touch. But let's be honest, there is only a certain level of imagination that a person can provide, and usually this imagination quickly dries up. The result is usually a monotonous meal plan, missed meals, or sometimes no meals at all. There are everyday chores and obligations, and there's no time for imagination, inventing, or else. Lots of times, due to fatigue, there simply isn't any will. By using this system, you should be able to avoid all of this, and you will be prepared. The end result should be good food on the table on a regular basis, and perhaps most importantly, the cook will be spared of the dilemma and drama that every meal carries with it, whether we like it or not. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.